because in all the divisions, in all, see again I am telling you nothing. See, 5 minutes I have already given for discussion. Now what I am speaking, you have to listen. Now discussion time is over. I have to teach. So textbook name is Maths All the Way. Mute the microphone. Now in that Maths All the Way, now this you have to write in the notebook. Write this natural number. Write this in the notebook. Natural number. Write this in the notebook. Chapter 1 is number system. Same chapter. We are continuing. Continue with. Same chapter. Natural number. Natural number we write as n. N. Write this. Write this. Natural number n. Write this. Natural number are also known as counting number. Yes, continue in that notebook. Natural numbers are also known as counting numbers. This bracket we use, we write this bracket. Now, the concept of counting, yes, write this in the notebook. Natural, whenever we have to count any objects, not question 11, we are going to teach from Maths All the Way. So in that, from beginning I am teaching. So continue with that, not question number 11. Question number 11 was from concise. Now Maths All the Way I am going to teach from that textbook, because in all the division, from Maths All the Way we are going to teach. Right? Natural number. Natural number start from 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. New page, dash, dash, dash. Natural numbers start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Headset disconnected. Natural numbers, it start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, dash, dash, dash means 6, 7, 8, 9. So it is countless. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so on. Dash dash means it is countless. Dash dash means it is countless. We cannot count. Countless. Yes, or countless, or you can say infinity. Countless, or you can say infinity. Both. My voice is very much louder. Mute the microphone. Natural numbers start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, dash, dash, dash. Then whole number we write W as whole number. And now we write the elements of that whole number. Whole number start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we write dash, dash, dash. We write dash, dash, dash. So whole number, we start from 0, whole number. This is whole number and this is natural number. Natural number start from 0 and this is countless. countless, or you can say infinity. Countless or infinity. My voice is coming loud only. Let others mute the microphone. Natural number. Yes. Natural number start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then dash 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 means infinity. Whole number start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the important point in this is natural number start from 1 and whole number start from 0. Natural number start from 1 and whole number start from 0. This is the difference. Natural number starting number is 1. Whole number starting number is 0. Whole number start from 0 and natural number start from 1. Write fast. And natural number start from 1, whereas whole number start from 0, and rest are natural numbers. So in whole number, all natural numbers are present. Natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, dash dash dash. All natural numbers, they are present in whole number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So whole number, all natural numbers are present. But all whole number, they are not present in natural number. For example, 0. 0 is a whole number, but 0 is not present in natural number. Voice is not coming. My voice is very much clear. Let other mute the microphone. My voice is extremely clear. Let other mute the microphone so that there should not be any disturbance. My microphone is muted. It is very much clear. It is very much clear. Voice is fast, no? No? Write fast so that we can erase. Natural number. Mute the microphone, please. Mute the microphone. Natural number start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. Whole number start from 0. This is the basic difference. Natural number start from 1, whole number start from 0. And all natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, they are present in whole number. But 0 is a whole number which is not present in natural numbers. So all natural numbers, they are whole numbers. But all whole numbers are not natural number, because the reason is 0 is a whole number, but 0 is not a natural number. Now based on this natural number and whole number, we will solve our exercise 1.1. So I am going to erase this board. Yes. Now we will solve the exercise 1.1 of Maths All the Way textbook. Exercise 1.1 of Maths All the Way textbook, which you try to manage, purchase from the market, or whichever school is giving that book, Maths All the Book, that you have to refer. Maths All the Book. Now exercise 1.1 from this textbook. School has already provided that facility of online purchase, that the respective class teacher has also not in textbook, in notebook. Now question I will not write. Questions I will not write because all of you are having textbook. Or let me now see, assuming that some of you are not having textbook. Yes, so let me write the question. Meanwhile, you try to arrange that book. Now first, all write the question. Write the question. Are all natural numbers? All are natural numbers. All are natural numbers. Also whole number. All natural numbers. Also whole number. Now why? Now we have to write the reason. Answer. Are all natural. Don't speak in between. Mute the microphone. Are all natural numbers whole numbers? Natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. Natural numbers. Yes. Mute the microphone. Then whole numbers W start from 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Natural numbers start from 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Whole numbers start from 0. Let me see whether all natural numbers are present in whole number. 1 is a natural number. 1 is present in whole number, yes. 2 is a natural number. 2 is present in whole number, yes. 3 is a natural number, present in whole number, yes. 4 is a natural number, present in whole number, yes. 5 is a natural number, present in whole number, yes. So all natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on, they are present in whole number. So answer is yes. Answer is yes. Yes, all natural numbers. Yes, all natural numbers are whole numbers. No. See what is the question? All are natural numbers whole number? Question is, are all natural numbers whole number? Whether all natural numbers are present in whole number, that is the question. All natural numbers are present in whole number. 1 is a natural number, 1 is present in whole number. 2 is a natural number, present in whole number. 3 is a natural number, present in whole number. So all natural numbers, they are present in whole numbers. So answer is yes. All natural numbers are whole numbers. Answer is yes. All natural numbers are whole numbers. All natural numbers are whole numbers. All natural numbers are present in whole number. All natural numbers are whole number. Answer is yes. Because all natural numbers, 1 is a natural number and 1 is present in whole number. 2 is a natural number present in whole number. 3 is a natural number present in whole number. 4 is a natural number present in whole number. 5 is a natural number present in whole number. So on, dash. So all natural numbers, they are present in whole numbers. So answer is yes. Now second question. Yes. Ask the doubt if it is there. Ask the doubt if it is there, otherwise mute the. Yes. See, my dear, wait. What is asked? Whether all natural numbers, they are present in whole number. So that we have to check. Whether all natural numbers are there in whole number? Yes. All natural numbers are there in whole number. Answer is yes. Now second question. Yes. Zero is a whole number, and that whole number start with that zero. And the concept of zero is, zero means nothing. Zero means nothing. Don't present anything. Second question. Are all whole numbers? Are all whole numbers? Are all whole numbers? Are all whole numbers also a natural number? Are all whole numbers also a natural number? Are also a natural numbers? Our reason is why. Why it is asked? You have to give the reason. This part you have written, all of you? Yes. Are all whole numbers? Mute the microphone. Mute the microphone. Now, it is coming clear in the screen. Now, second thing, are all whole numbers natural numbers? So I will write whole number. Whole number I will write W 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then dash dash dash. There are infinite. Then natural number I will write, and mute the microphone. Natural number start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mute the microphone. So on. Now see here, what is asked? Earlier it was asked whether all natural numbers are whole number. Answer was yes. Now it is asked reverse, whether all whole numbers are natural number. Whether all whole numbers are natural number. Now see, 0 is a whole number, but 0 is not present in this. Yes or no? 0 is a whole number. 0 is a whole number, but 0 is not in natural number. So write 0 is a whole number. 0 is a whole number. 0 is a whole number. 0 is a whole number which is not present. Which is not present. Don't speak in between. Which is not present in natural number. Which is not present in natural numbers. Which is not present in natural number. Yes or no? 0 is a whole number, but 0 is not present in natural number. So all whole number are not natural number. Answer is no. Answer is no. All whole numbers are not natural numbers. Are not natural number. Yes, right. All whole numbers are not natural numbers. Right. Answer is no. Because 0 is a whole number, but 0 is not present in natural number. So answer is no. Yes. Right. Yes, right. It is asked whether all whole numbers are natural number. Answer is no. Because 0 is a whole number. 0 is a whole number. 0 is a whole number which is not present in natural number. So all whole numbers are not present in natural numbers. Don't present anything and mute the microphone. We are solving exercise 1.1 based on natural number and whole number. Now we are going to solve third one. Try to arrange the book as early as possible so that our time will be saved in writing the question. So try to arrange the book as early as possible. Now third question. Question third. Which is the smallest? Mute the microphone. Which is the smallest? Which is the smallest whole number? Which is the smallest? A whole number, and B natural number. Which is the smallest whole number and natural number? Which is the smallest whole number and natural number? No, mute the microphone, please. Mute the microphone because you have to read the question. Last period also I had explained the best way of learning maths is reading the question. Reading the question will give you clarity what is asked. Mute the microphone. Otherwise, next time I will not admit those students who are not listening to the instruction. Mute the microphone. Still disturbances are coming. Mute the microphone, please. Which is the smallest whole number and natural number? Smallest whole number and natural number. Smallest whole number and natural number. Please mute the microphone, parents. Parents are requested to mute the microphone. Parents are humbly requested to mute the microphone and cooperate so that there is clarity of the voice. Please mute the microphone. Which is the smallest whole number and natural number? Smallest whole number. Smallest whole number. Smallest whole number. Whole number start with 0. Whole number start with 0. So 0 is the smallest whole number. And smallest natural number. Smallest natural number. Smallest natural number. Natural number start from 1. Natural number start from 1. So 1 is the smallest natural number and 0 is the smallest whole number. So smallest whole number is 0. Smallest natural number is 1. Smallest whole number is 0 and smallest whole number is 1. Smallest whole number is 0 and smallest natural number is 1. 1 is the smallest natural number. Mute the microphone. Now let us do fourth one. This question I have to write, so you also write little bit fast and try to arrange the book as early as possible, maths all the way textbook, so that our time will be saved in writing the question. Now question. No, in village, for village, those who are staying in village or those who are not able to have that, see this maths question I will upload in the group. Now fourth question, which is right? Which is the greatest natural number? I will write question on the board. No, don't worry. Which is the greatest natural number? Which is the greatest natural number? Now the question. This part is over. This part is over. Writing work is over. Yes. Writing, yes. Which is the greatest natural number? Which is the greatest greatest here? See here. Now we write the reason. Natural natural number start from 1, natural number start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then dash dash dash. And see, please mute the microphone. Mute the microphone. See here. For mute the microphone. Mute the microphone. For see here. Natural number start from 1. So 1 is the smallest. 1 is the smallest. This 1 is smallest. But for greatest, this is the greatest number. This is greatest. And greatest number, there is no limit, countless. Since natural numbers are countless, natural number starts from 1. Natural number has starting number 1, but there is no ending number. There is no ending number. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, so on, dash, dash, dash. Means natural number, there is no ending. Natural number has starting number 1. Natural number has starting number 1. But there is no ending number. So we write greatest number we cannot find. Greatest number we cannot find. Greatest number we cannot find, as natural numbers are countless. As natural numbers are countless. Mute the microphone. See, natural number has starting number 1. But there is no ending number. Where the natural number ends, that number we do not have. It has the starting number 1, but there is no ending number. There is no ending number means natural numbers are countless. We cannot count the end number. We cannot count the end number. Yes. Underline. They are countless. So we cannot find the greatest number. Natural number has starting number 1, but it has no ending number. And since it has no ending number, homework I will give next period. Next period I will give the homework. Yes, we can leave now. It is 11:20. Our period gets over. So try to understand this natural number and whole number. Yes. Yes, speak. Yes, I will upload this video. Do not worry. Okay. So that you see in that video. Okay. Bye everybody. Take care. Bye. Take care. Revise natural number and whole number. What is natural number? What is whole number? That you try to fit in your brain. Try to understand. That is more important. Okay. Bye everybody. From this book, online link that has been sent by the respective class teacher to all of you. You have to go on.